everybody. My name is Emily. I am 9 years old. I am from Kids Public Speaking Bangsa South. This is my story. The, the Clever Mouse Deer. Sang Kancil is a clever mouse deer. He lives in the jungles. A lot of animals like Sang Kancil because he is friendly and helpful. One day, the cow went to the river bank. He was hungry. He wanted to eat some grass. Suddenly, he saw a crocodile trapped under a fallen tree. The crocodile was screaming in pain. Please help me, Mr. Cow, cried the crocodile. You are a strong animal. I am sure you can lift this tree. When the cow heard this, he quickly lifted the tree. The crocodile was saved. However, the ungrateful crocodile caught the cow and bit it. The cow was in pain. His leg was hurting. Please let me go, pleaded the cow. Not long later, Sang Kancil passed by. He saw a crocodile and a cow. What is happening? asked Sang Kancil. I helped the cow earlier. Now he wants to eat me, cried the cow. Sang Kancil thought for a while. Then he had an idea. Crocodile, can you show the cow that lifted such a heavy tree? I don't think the cow is that strong, asked Sang Kancil. Without thinking, the foolish crocodile agreed to show. He opened his mouth. The cow quickly pulled out his leg. Then both Sang Kancil and cow walked away. Moral of the story: we must be kind and help to everyone. Thank you.